Trading is risky. Please read the disclaimer and enjoy the video.
Hey guys, this is Mr. Trader, and today we're going to do a quick overview of the pair GBPUSD. Today is July 3rd, 2024, and let's get right into it. So, going over the daily time frame, I noted down the buy side liquidity over here and the buy side liquidity here. Furthermore, we could expect this to be hit, this rejection block, and also this liquidity and consequent encroachment in the future. But using the past 3 days, there was this giant wick over here, so I use this as consequent encroachment to furthermore develop a narrative towards the top. Right, so on Monday we did have an expansion higher, and then on Tuesday we had an expansion lower, right? But on the close we ended up above this consequent encroachment. So my anticipation was we might dig into the consequent encroachment and then expand higher for today. Now there wasn't anything on the 4-hour. Right, there wasn't much over here. Yeah, besides us dipping down into the consequent encroachment and expanding up, there isn't more. So going on to the 30-minute, because the 1 hour there wasn't anything else. There was this is the daily open over here. There's this order block, right? So this order block over here, we barely touch it, right? And it's a high probability order block because there is this fair value gap. So we do hit this fair value gap, and we do hit this order block, barely touching it. Let's see if I can get a close up right over here. Right, we barely touch it, and then we expand higher. And this is all the London session over here. So this is a classic buy day, and I'm expecting the New York session to respect the order flow from the London session and furthermore hit this buy side over here. And eventually, I wasn't expecting it to hit today, but this buy side as well. Moving on to the 5-minute time frame. Price action was much more clear on this time frame. Even the 1 minute, wasn't that good. So yeah, this is the 5-minute. And 5-minute, again, this is the same order block over here on the 30-minute. And leaving that, we made an expansion higher, and in that expansion, we did create this order block. Now, this is a model. I'm not sure if it's model 11, 12 or something like that, but this is an ICT model over here. Right, we hit an order block, and then on the following leg, we do use this fair value gap, right? And you can use entry, right? This is, I think, 20 pips if I'm not mistaken, but yeah, this is entry. Oh, you could use this order block as well, I think, right? You have this order block, fair value gap right here, expansion. And now following back into price, yeah, we hit this order block, we expand, we make this other order block over here, and then moving on to the New York kill zone, which is denoted by the dotted lines over here and here, right? 7 a.m. to 11 a.m. This is the London close, and what we do entering the kill zone is we do break this liquidity over here, we purge this, and then we revert to over here. We get into this fair value gap and expand, then expand again after hitting another fair value gap that was created here. This second leg of distribution, redistribution over here. You can see small little market maker model, right? You got the consolidation, accumulation, manipulation, distribution, redistribution, and then following that, we do expand to this buy side liquidity. In doing so, I didn't expect the market to expand any higher, but today is Wednesday, right? We could have a big moving day, and yeah, we create this fair value gap, we hit the fair value gap, upper quadrant, and then we expand higher, creating another fair value gap, and then hitting this fair value gap, we do expand higher again, eventually hitting this buy side liquidity. And what everyone should note is that 11 o'clock, and if you want to note down the times, 10:15 and 35, this was the final 2 points before the reversal into the end of the day, right? We have this giant expansion throughout this kill zone right over here. Looks better on this time frame. Again, there wasn't much on the 1 minute, right? So there's not that much to talk about really. There was a lot of chop right on the 1 minute and the lower time frames in almost like every single market today. But yeah, if you were in the higher time frames, you were safer. Yeah, that's basically it. Thank you for watching. If you want to buy a Profit Room Challenge from Take Profit Creator, I have a new code. You can see it at the top. There's a banner. Yeah, 40% off, no activation fee. And yeah, thank you for watching.